What floor? Second floor. Our princess is sleeping. Yeah. Huh? We need the refund? Yeah. Okay, okay. We need to top up our card. Ah. So we ran out of money here in our card, so.
IC カードの取り忘れにご注意ください。ありがとうございました。領収書の取り忘れにご注意ください。
Mams. Tao ka sa likod. We hit the rush hour, guys. It's pretty busy, so I'm gonna try my best to film as much as I can. But yeah. Yeah, good. Oh, it's hot. So we're here in Yokohama. So we made it, guys. We arrived here in Yokohama, and we were gonna walk for at least 5 minutes. Uh, that's according to Google Map. Hopefully it's shorter, but it is what it is. It's kind of chilly today, but the boss copy is helping us. So yeah. How is the boss? It's done?
Always a boss.
I am the boss. I told you. This is to remind you that I am the boss, that I'm buying you the coffee.
I'm the boss.
The amount of bikes here in Japan is insane. I think, I don't know what's going on. I think it's a thing here in Japan. What did you found? Oh, a big aquarium. It's so cool. So cool. Wow, guys. Really, it's a dream come true to be here. Japan is so clean. Everything looks nice. I don't know. There's something about Japan that I really love. I'm gonna miss this place. Tomorrow is our last day, by the way. Sad, but I know that I'll be back again, so. Do you see what I see? That's it, guys. We made it. Dreams do come true. The Enyos gasoline station. Feels like MFG here. Or initial D vibes. Oh shit. Maps, this is the real deal. Look at this random thing here in their parking lot. I wish I can afford this S2K or any S2000, but it's so impossible at the moment. It's so unattainable to own one of these. Damn. Damn, look at how many S2K they have. There's a lot of S2000 here as well. Oh, I guess this is where they ship some of the Recaros that they have. But there's a Ferrari here. What a random thing. This is so clean, S2K. I'm not sure if the paint is original in this. But damn. It's also rocking the Works bell. Titanium hub, I think. I don't know if that's a Works bell. But I know that the quick release is Works bell release. Damn. I can't get enough with this S2 case. This is so clean. Another S2K with a modified rear bumper. Not sure what brand it is, but not a Honda guy. Just like S2000 look. Some fenders here. Not sure what brand it is, but looks clean. Running TEs. Pretty nice touch. Carbon fiber lip. This Miata is sick. Damn, it has beefy tires on the rear. Potenza. Not Potenza. Yeah, it's Potenza RE70. Look how beefy it is. Another S2K. So now we're entering ASM. Hopefully they got good deals. This is heaven. I'm so stoked to be here, guys. It's a dream come true. Only see this on the internet. So we finally found some personal nardi. I might go with three oh, deep corn. Not sure, but I really want Neo Grinta. So, but I might go with this design because I don't want red stitching. Maps. Preference lang. Baka mo. Ito. Yan, compare mo dito sa... Compare mo dun sa isa niya.
Sige, sige.
Papakita ko.
Saan mo nakuha yan?
Ha? Ano yung sabi? Yung isa daw.
Ah, kumuha siya. Patayin ko mo. Daddy, oh, kuha ng kung ano. Hindi na tayo nakagala. Wala na tayo nagalaan. Alis na tayo bukas. Sabi mo kay Daddy, bibili mo ako ng cake. No? Daddy, where is my cake? Hindi na ako nag-celebrate ng 8 months ko eh. Dito nga kamo celebrate eh. Nakalimutan natin bumili ng cake mo, no? Happy 8 months. Late celebration nga lang. Love you. Baby. Baby.
I am here in Super AUTOBACS in Kawasaki. Finally guys, I found what I'm looking for. I've been searching for this all over Japan. I've been to Yokohama, Shimomone, Apit, but I don't find it there. I find it here in stock in Super AUTOBACS. Behind me here is a beautiful Prado. I hope that we have this in Canada. So beautiful. Anyway, we have a long trip ahead, and I don't film inside the store because tomorrow we'll need to leave early and we need to pack our bags. Again, thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please hit like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave them down below. See ya! Look what I found, guys. GR86 with TC4 and with a TRD kit. TRD rain guard. He's running 245.35.